The Dualit Cino is a dedicated steaming and foaming station. It's compact, stainless steel, freestanding and above 1400 watts. What you'll need to produce cafe quality milk is a jug, thermometer and the Dualit Cino milk steamer. Milk quality is really important here. Depending on your preference, if you use full fat milk, you'll get a richer, creamier flavour. If you use lower fat, semi-skimmed, then it's easier to foam, but you don't get quite the same rich texture. So depending on preference, you can also use soya, other products without dairy, you still get great results. You want to fill your jug about halfway. If you haven't got enough milk in there, the milk will foam very, very quickly and won't give you enough time to texturise it and create the nice milk that you're looking for. If you fill the jug too high, then there's a good chance as the volume increases, the milk's going to overspill and make a mess. Purge the steam wand, pull it out. To produce cappuccino foam, we're looking for quite thick foam. So we're going to place the wand just at the tip of the surface. Turn the machine on. That chirping noise will produce the foam that we're looking for. As the volume of the milk increases and rises up the jug, we just want to lower the milk slightly so the surface and the tip stay at the same distance. We want to heat the milk to about 65 degrees centigrade. This is going to produce lovely sweet, balanced milk. Once we get up to the right temperature, we just turn the machine off and slowly pull the jug out. Give it a tap on the counter, quickly wipe the wand, and then purge. Grab your freshly prepared espresso and pour the milk directly into the centre of the cup, nice and slowly to the top. If you're looking to produce latte art, look for a jug with a tip on the end, which gives you lots more accuracy. Decant about halfway. Again, another tap on the counter. Give it a quick stir. Pour directly into the centre of the cup. Try not to disturb the crema. As the cup starts to fill, you start to wiggle the jug, pour through and finish. Okay. The Dualit Cino milk steamer delivers cafe quality textured milk for cappuccinos and lattes.